Hi, and welcome to my channel, Intelligent Institute of Education. My dear students, today I would like to teach the concept of strings and its methods, how this behaves in a programming language. And while we can use in a programming language, what will be the effect of in a programming language? Like, so let's start from beginning. So first of all, I would like to define what is a string. So basically, we can say that a string is a array of characters, or also we can say that a group of characters that we can represent in single quotes as well as in double quotes. I will say show you in practical. So let me share Jupyter notebook, and in that I will do the practical so you can understand, right? So here I have written this. I am going to copy this strings and as well as methods. This much I will explain you. Now I'm going to take one new cell. In this I will paste it. So it will be helpful for us. We'll see one by one, right? First is there create a string. Now I'm going to create a string here. Again, I will take one new cell, right? So how to create a cell? So first of all, any variable you can take like s. S is equal to, I have taken here, I'm going to take intelligent, intelligent. Okay. Now, and I will print this, print here S. Fine. I will execute it, control enter, printed here. Fine. Now I will check this S, what type of data. Okay. So how we can check? So we can check with the help of type command. So how we can check here? So again, we will write here print, and we can use a type, and within parenthesis we can write s, because s is the name of the string. Now we can execute this code. See, now this class is string here. Now is this clear? Fine. Now second is the check types of data, string length. So what is the length of this character? Fine. You can write here print, and with the help of len command. Okay, so you can write here len, and within parentheses I'm going to write s, because name of the string is here, and execute this code. We got here see 11 character, like see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? So now after len, we'll check here, check given string in a sentence with the help of, now given string, is it present in a sentence? I will make sentence intelligent, or I will make like this sentence, you are an intelligent man. Okay, so this is sentence. Now in this I will check, I'm going to copy this sentence. I will take a new cell, so it will be somewhat easy for us. I pasted here. I will check if we'll take here any word, like I will check here man, man, man. If man in the name of the string is s colon, and here we can write print, yes, given word is present in a sentence. Okay, or also I'll make here else, else I will copy this so it will become somewhat easy. It will take less time, right? So, yeah, no. I will make here no, no, and this is a yes. When true, so it will give here true. If no means no. Execute this. See, yes, man. This man is present. Yes, given word is present in a sentence. Okay. And if I will write here something, man one, execute this. No, given word is not present in the list. Okay. Here any doubt, please? Here simply we have written here one sentence like you are an intelligent man. So in this sentence, I am going to find out a particular word. Okay. So in that we can use here if statement, and which word we are going to find out, we can write it here. Like now I'm going to find out M1, man one, in. So basically in is a membership operator. In, not in. And S is the name of the string. Now check. M1 man 1 is not present. So got here no. Given word is not present in the sentence. Right? Okay. You practice it, you will get it. Right. Now I am coming here accessing. Now string how can access. Fine. Now I'm going to write. I'm going to copy this one. Okay. Now for accessing, there are two types of access, in forward access and backward access, right? So first of all, I'm going to show you in forward access. So here I will write here print, okay, and in that I will write here S, and while I write here colon, so it will print entire sentence at a time. See, one method we have to use here colon, whatever it may be the sentence, all at a time it will print it. Now I'm going to copy this so it will be easy for us. Fine. Next, for example, I will write here. For example, I want to start here from 1 and for 10. Okay. Execute is. So you got here, see, 1 to 10. So 1 means index number 1. So 0 we have here y, and 1 means 0. It started from 0 and up to 10. Okay, so this 10 basically it will less than 1. Why? Because starting from index is 0. So it will goes up to number 9. Check it here, see. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So blank spaces also we can count here one character. Is this clear? Fine. So up to here, basically n is the 9, but when we can start from 0, so that will be the 10. Okay. So this also you can learn while you can practice. So at the beginning, don't worry. You practice one time, two times, inshallah you will get it. Fine. Clear? Now, this is called a forward access. Fine. Now I will tell you in backward access. Let me copy this. And I'm going to take a new cell. I'm going to paste it here, and I will use here in backward. So again, I will take a print, and I'll write here parenthesis S. So here I can use, for example, -1. Okay, execute this. You got here n. So -1 means starting from first character from the right hand side. It means that from back side, from rear side. Fine. Now, for example, I will tell here this -1 to, for example, any character we can write it here. Let me copy this. Fine. And here, this will be like I will write here -15 and semicolon, execute this. intelligent, intelligent, ma. Okay. So minus 15. So this started from here. See, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15. Is this clear? So up to intelligent. So this is called backward access. Fine. So now after backward access, slicing. So this is also called like slicing. For example, I will tell you, like, take the new cell and how this works as a slicing. For example, I will write here print. Okay, I'll write here S, this 5. Now see, man. Okay, so basically I started from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fifth. R. R is the fifth. So fifth to till and. Is this clear? Don't worry, you practice it. You practice it, you will get it. Okay, fine. And now, for example, I will make a opposite of this. Okay. This is, don't worry, you have to practice. That's it. Nothing else. Like I'm going to write 5 here. Execute this. See now here, last. Okay. Fifth means and the UA. So now here, whatever done this here finished here, UA from the last character printed here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is this clear? So it means that this printed from like I started from YOU 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is this clear? Now this is called basically slicing. You practice 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So you get it. Don't worry for about this. Okay. After slicing, now I'm going to replace. How we can work this replace? Okay. Now I'm going to take this. I want to tell you how to work replace. So here, copy this. Now we can write here, for example, print. Okay. S dot replace, REPLACE, replace. Which character we want to replace? Like I want to replace a starting first character Y. So in single quote and double quotes, no issue for that. And which one? So Y is capital. I have written a small. I will make it capital, or else it will display error, right? So here now I want to U. I want here a small U. That will be good. Okay. Now execute this. See, first character Y capital, I replaced with Y a small. Is this clear? So this is called replace. Basically, name itself, we know that. Fine. We are replacing some characters. Is this clear? So next methods I want to tell you, like concatenate. Basically, concatenate also we have studied in C programming, C++. We are going to add any two string into one string. But there we have used a function, but here nothing, we can use a plus symbol only. Right, I'm going to copy this and I will take one new cell and going to paste it here. And like I will take S1 equal to, I'll write here I and comma. Okay, now I will do it here. Print like S1 plus S. Execute this. See, hi, you are an intelligent man. So it means that we have concatenated. We have added here two strings into one string with the help of very simple only plus. Only plus, right? Next, see here, capitalize. So better I am going to copy this. It will be easy, capitalize. So, so now I will take a new cell and I will write here like SK equal to UAE. Okay. And now I want to capitalize here. Print, and here we can use SK dot control V, capitalize. Fine. Execute it. So here no need to click on the run. Sort, we can use control enter. See here, UAE. All three characters are in small. But now I have used here capitalize to become first character is capital. Clear? Go back and check now. Is lower, is upper, lower and upper. Fine. Now I will tell you. Because I don't want to make long video. I want to make short video. So I will upload it all methods so you can try it. I'll take here. Here. Okay. Now here I'm going to write here. I am in UAE. I am in UAE. Okay. I can use here print and sk dot upper, upper. Just execute and check it. Now see. Upper means all character became here in uppercase. Fine. Same I'm going to copy and I don't want to take your more time. Just 2 and 3 command I will tell you. Just it. I will write here in upper, lower, LOWER. Fine. You can practice it. I will upload it. Control, enter, execute. All became a small. Right. Last two more. Here. Take the one plus with the hello plus here. New cell. Now I will use here is. Means question mark. Is lower. If lower, all lower, it will give true. If not, it will give false. Let's check here. False, because here in the sentences, I is capital. Okay. So this is a false. But now, for example, I will make here I small, execute it, became true. Is this clear? Now I will make here control C and one new more cell. Fine. So here I will write upper. UPPER upper. Fine. Control enter, execute. False, because this is all in lowercase. Fine. Is this clear? Now I'm going to end here. Now please subscribe and comment how I'm explaining. Please write down in comment, and if required really improvement, I can improve. And as well as now I want to tell you same lecture I am making in Hindi also. So if some students have problem in English, so please you can watch in Hindi and please subscribe. And now I want to see at least 100 comments, right? So also I will improve. I will see how I'm explaining to you. Is this all right? So thank you very much and we'll meet in next videos. Thank you.